Breakfast Natalia. That's for me and my mom.
We just played a game and we described everyone in one word. He got softy, hyper, and interfering. Sana got
Mom, involved, and cutie.
and Mama got happy, fun, and
Joyful. Naughty.
not joyful. I got dolly, Barbie dolly,
Playful.
and playful. Oh. This was our breakfast time game. Okay, bye.
Guys, so we're taking the cycles out today. I just want to tell you all guten morning.
Hey guys, see my new shoes.
See my new shoes.
Doing everything to fix his cycle. Wow, his triceps are looking crazy.
My family's fighting.
Then we have to go another kilometer. Then it's left, right.
Are
Hi.
they fighting?
Yeah.
Not at all. We are talking about tanning.
They're lying. In the middle of the cycling track.
Mummy is
we
worried
just
she getting
started
tired.
a fight.
Mummy is getting worried she getting tired.
Shreya, how's your cycle ride?
My cycle ride is amazing. There's like this view of like the mountains, and I just felt like body's telling me you're good.
I think only Shreya and I should have come.
Guess which song?
Look at them. Look at them. They're fully having
Guess
a
which
fight.
song I was listening to in my head.
Wait.
Oh
my God, this was playing in my head also.
Because I played it yesterday.
Yeah. Look at this. Epic. And we are going at
Ram,
like
Ram.
2 miles per hour. Okay, so where are we going?
We are going to Opwigin. We are lost now. We'll ask Rasta 500 times more and then we'll find it for sure.
We've already stopped 10 times to ask. And Papa has
510.
had 30-minute conversations with each one of them.
These are sweet, nice people. You won't believe.
Okay, 2 hours ago, we were supposed to reach in 7 minutes. Papa, where is the river?
Straight from Tesla, right, and straight.
Bye.
We just parked our cycles. Long ride. Did you like the cycle?
At the end of it, I realized legs are paining. You have to see the view. It's amazing.
Talk normally. I think Bombay needs to have
I genuinely hate it.
a nice clean river, a beach.
No,
a
but I
hiking
don't want those
trail.
people. You know what I mean?
The crowd is the issue. I think it needs to have more exclusive places. But
They should make it really expensive.
we will only Canada. We'll be like Canada.
$5 chante hain. Guys, look at the dogs.
Where?
I'm a bitch.
I was going to answer that, but let it go.
Ignore the background noise.
look like a bitch 100 years.
It's yummy but too
Look at
yummy,
the
too
movie.
y.
Yeah,
Don't you
yeah.
think there's too much
Vegetable.
enjoying? Hi guys, we are back. We cycled more than needed. And
And what? Yeah. What and you keep going.
then we showered and now we've got it out again.
Be who you are.
Free. Oh god, they took a U-turn. They didn't even tell me. Sana, at least tell. I was walking ahead. I'm gonna miss this view. Bye, Germany. I missed you. We've reached our hotel. Room took Sana and my room. Let's see the view. It's literally the airport because we fly out tomorrow. I wore my pink earrings. I love them. We're leaving to explore the city. So pretty. We've come to the mall. Winner takes it all. I'm buying a new phone, guys. What? Kuch bhi. This year I'm getting a phone. This year.
Getting the iPhone 17 this year.
Okay. Okay. Shut up. Hi guys, it's the end of our trip.
Hi. Now we are back to the hotel. No. Because I have fallen sick. I got
She's
my
not
period.
sick,
It's my
she
first
just has a
day and I'm not okay.
Oh, what did you just say about the trip almost ending?
Thank God. Enough.
What the? How can you say that?
अब बस क्या बोलूं?
I am very, very sad that it has ended because it was an amazing, beautiful trip. I really enjoyed
I need someone to say something funny. Guys, we're gonna pack. It's the end of our trip.
4 घंटे पहले नहीं उठना है.
हम लोग हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं अभी जब थोड़ा विदेश आता है.
हाँ, अंग्रेजी क्योंकि सबको समझ आ जाती है. मैं recommend बिल्कुल नहीं करती फ्रैंकफर्ट.
सना को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया.
Smelling glass everywhere. Shreya stepped on broken glass.
I don't know, just a lot of broken glass, and I think people are putting nazar, and God is just
Yeah, and we've
Removing
seen
it.
broken glass since the first day of our trip.
so it was crazy like overall.
But, okay, let's rate our favorite places.
Okay, let me stick this.
Let's talk about me. I hope my sound is clear since my opinion really matters to every one of you watching.
Okay.
Visited 3 countries, 12 days, and cities within it. Okay, so I'm screaming and talking. I don't have so much energy. I give up. I don't know.
Wait,
Like,
just
the owner of this vlog has left the vlog.
Wait, just give me a second. I would rate like our experience in Nice or Nice as a city.
All this should be discussed before the rating.
Okay, I'm
Overall,
gonna
yeah, overall,
give.
Shreya, it's not that difficult.
Can I do 2?
No.
No.
We have so many cities. Go fast. Nice.
Okay, Nice I would actually rate 7.
Same. But when we reached there, I realized this is just like Goa. Like even the small shops.
I would give Cannes an 8.5.
Give us 7. So Monaco, I think 6.5.
The next was Milan. I love Milan. So I would to give it a 10 only.
A 9.5.
Freiburg is a 10, bro. It's 100 on 10.
It's 10 for me. It's like straight out of a story. But you all have to.
I actually thought like shit, I don't like mind living here. Like I don't like Frankfurt at all. 1, 2 buildings are fine, but I would literally give it a 1. I'm like 1.
Guys, I'm giving Frankfurt a big fat 0. The condition is horrible. There were like 10 men who have pushed Shreya's shoulder today, and I was so close to like beating them up. This trip was like a big fat success, but now
Big fat
I need
success.
to go home.
But I feel
like
our parents
okay, we
have
gotta go. Okay.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
I stuck my phone on the TV. He's confused.
How cool is that?
He's the best father on this taste test. Water.
Watching my dad's favorite movie, Top Gun.
Die hard fan of Top Gun in German.
What is going on? मैं भी ऐसे करता हूँ.
He's a pilot for context.
और नीचे वाला भी कंफ्यूज आता है. वो भी ऐसे कर देता है.
He doesn't care about any of the perks and all that.
He didn't know he's a married member till today. He's been flying for 30 years. Nice. Bye room. Sana say bye.
Bye room. Oh my god.
Bye room. I get it from you only.
I do honestly.
I know. Anyways, bye.
We coming back.
Live in the moment. Okay. Bye guys. Going in the plane now.
We don't want to go now.
Bye.
I'm so excited to go back.
Mama say bye.
Bye.